Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, June 24th. Today I'm going to read another essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. And then, as always, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. The essay today is titled The Monkey and the River. It is said that a great Zen teacher asked an initiate to sit by a stream until he heard all that the water had to teach. After days of bending his mind around the scene, a small monkey appeared by, and in one seeming bound of joy, splashed about in the stream. The initiate wept and returned to the teacher, who scolded him lovingly. The monkey heard. You just listened. With the best of intentions, we often build false careers of studying the river without ever getting wet. In this way, we can ponder great philosophy without ever telling the truth, or analyze our pain without ever feeling it, or study holy places without ever making where we live sacred. In this way, we can build a cathedral on the water's edge, spending all our time keeping it clean. Or we can count our money or say our prayers without ever spending anything or ever feeling God's presence. In this way, we can play music or make love very skillfully without ever feeling the music or our passion. The apprentice was brought to tears because the monkey, slapping and yapping its way in the river, had landed in a moment of joy. And the apprentice knew that all his reverence and devotion and meditation hadn't brought him the joy of a monkey. The river, of course, is the ongoing moment of our living. It is the current that calls us to inhabit our lives. And no matter how close we come, no matter how much we get from staying close with a sensitive heart, nothing will open us to joy but entering the stream. I once was on a screened-in porch on a lake I used to visit every summer for 20 years. My friend and I were watching it rain, as we had done countless times over the years. Suddenly, like that simple and beautiful monkey, my friend bounded up, slapped the screen door open, cracked his clothes, and jumped into the rain-filled lake. I watched like the apprentice, feeling the pain of always being dry. And then I shed my clothes and jumped in too. There we were, in the center of the lake, water from above in our mouths and our eyes pelting us, water entering water, lives entering their living. Each pelt of rain, on us and in the lake, uttering, joy, joy, joy. What an uplifting and life-affirming essay, isn't it? I just love it, and I love Mark Nepo. So today let's do a practice that will hopefully allow us to touch the simple joy of being, joy of living. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remember, there's nothing you need to fix about this moment. Your breath is enough. You are enough. This moment, just as it is enough. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your being, a sense of freedom, that allows you to let all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. And in this moment, right here, right now, shift from thinking to feeling. Let go of everything you think you know. Breathe in and allow a golden, glowing light to arise at your heart center. Breathe in this beautiful, glowing light. Allow the heart space to fill up with that beautiful light. With each breath, more and more of this beautiful flowing light at the heart center, filling the heart with light. And now your heart is so filled with glowing light, it can no longer be contained. So allow it to spill out, flowing out to all parts of your body. Beautiful, glowing light, flowing out in all directions, to the arms, to the legs, and beyond. So much light. A never-ending stream flowing out. Beautiful, glowing light flowing out from the heart center to all areas of the body and beyond. Now bring your awareness back to the heart center, the epicenter of this flowing light, and allow the image of a person, a place, or an activity you dearly love to arise in that glowing light at the heart center. A person, a place, or an activity that lights you up, that makes you feel alive. Don't think too much about it. Just go with the first thing that bubbles up. Anything that lights you up. Allow this image to arise in the heart space and then absorb those positive feelings. Allow those feelings to fill you with joy. Feeling this joy in every pore of your being. Absolute joy. Now, in that radiant warmth of joy, that loving light, that stream of unlimited potential at the heart center, set an intention to live your life with joy. Formulate this intention as a one sentence in present tense. Or if nothing comes to you in this moment, you can use my phrase. I always allow myself to live my life with joy. I always allow myself to live my life with joy. Repeat the sentence 3 times, whether it's yours or mine. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I always be open to joy. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice your interactions with others and with the life around you. Notice if you're watching what's happening or if you are an actual part of it, an active participant. If you're watching, place your heart in the stream of what is before you, the way you might dip your hand in running water. Do this by opening your heart with your out breath and letting life in with your in breath. Watch and be. Open and let in. Listen and hear. And get wet. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day filled with joy. And I will see you tomorrow.